will come for you at night time, and I will raise you from your sleep. I will kiss you in four places as I go running along your street. Hunters and Collectors, Throw Your Arms Around Me is one of my all-time favorite songs. It's an absolute cracker. Simple song, 3 chords all the way through, but it's just such a magical song. Very famous here in Australia. Don't know what it's like in the other parts of the world. Let me know if you know of this song. It's based around E, A, and B. And that intro that I just played there is the hardest thing you're going to deal with this song. We start with this B chord, this B bar chord. You play the A and the D strings together. Do a little hammer from 4 to 5 on the B string. Then you slide up to that E on the 7th fret of the A string, and you do kind of the same thing, almost exactly, but then when we go up to the A, so the intro is B, E, and A, we start with the open A string and you play the 14th fret of these 3 strings. So it's like an A chord moved up a whole octave with the open A string. This time with the little hammer on, you don't actually hammer it, you just come back down through that chord from the 15th fret of the B string, 15, 14, 14, 0. Then you go 15, 14, B string, G string, then again B string, G string, D string, and then lift off. I will come for you at night time. Now with your strumming, slow and easy and sparse does the trick here. So you're going A, I will raise you from your sleep. Now, for those of you who find the B bar chord a little bit challenging, either stick with it or play a B7. If you play a B7 in this song, it's not technically correct, but it kind of gives it a little bit of an island vibe, if you like. Doesn't sound terrible, and if you're only playing open chords, that's the way out of this one. Otherwise, it's the B bar chord, B major bar chord. That's pretty much the whole song. What the verse does is goes, I will come for you at night time, I will raise you from your sleep. 3 times, and then it's into the chorus. You will throw your arms around me. On your chart, at the end of that first chorus, you hit a DS, which is del segno, sends you back to that little sign at the very start. So you do the intro again. Into exact same verse and chorus again for verse 2 and the chorus, and then after that second chorus you play a little kind of bridge, which is just E, A, and B for 2 bars, and then it goes into what's basically the chorus outro. So it's a through, yeah, E, A, and 2 bars of B. Through that goes on, 8 repeats will get you through that section precisely. At the end of that, you just hang on that B, and you hang on that B for 2 bars, and end on the first beat of the 3rd bar. There, it's all on your chart. It's a fantastic song. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and see you here again soon. If you want to do something different with these chords, you can always do this thing that I like to do, which is using your open strings. So on your E chord, you can play an E shape up there, you can play an A there and a B there, or you can play an A there and a B there, sort of a B sus2 and an A sus2. Make your own adventure. Hunters and Collectors. Get into them if you haven't heard from them before.